The following message is the request of the civil authorities. There has been reports of a portal that opened. It's unknown how it opened, but people also had reports that the portal that opened 7 minutes ago. All residents in United States stay indoors and do not go outside and in the portal, as you are putting your life in extreme danger. Stay tuned for more information on this unknown situation. The following message is the request of the civil authorities. The portal that happened 30 minutes ago has worsened as 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Scientists inspected the portal and it turns out that the portal was spawning zombies. What's also crazy is that every zombie has a different color for the skin, and reports came in that every zombie gets bigger and bigger if they spawn a boss zombie. All residents in the United States get underground shelter now just in case if the zombies get in your house. Stay tuned for more information on this situation. The message is the request of the portal inspections. It turns out that the portal inspections know the names of the enemies. It's normal, speedy, slow, and normal boss, hidden boss, or shadow boss. Those are the bosses and the zombies. The portal is gonna summon all residents of the United States to stay in your shelters at this time. Also, a fire started to occur in the United States. It's all BQs of the zombies. The zombies can start fires by summoning fire zombies like Molten Lava, Molten Titan, and Molten Boss. If Molten Boss comes, we will have to evacuate the state if this event unfolds. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. We interrupt irregular programming. This is a national emergency. The following message is the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. A national emergency now exists. Reports came in about fire zombies like Molten Titan, and Lava, and Molten Boss. And Molten Bosses now came out of the portal, and when Molten Zombie dies it causes a wildfire and it could spread, and when the Molten Boss dies it melts and lava will be spreading, and the temperatures are increasing to about 102 degrees. Oh my god, it's so hot, and the Molten Boss has 70k health and the military are struggling to kill it. It's so strong that the temperature is increasing and it's now 130 degrees. I'm afraid that we have to stop this before this thing overheats. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous and life-threatening situation. This is an emergency action termination. The zombies all been killed and all the fire zombies have been melted. What happened is that the towers came the portal and helped us save the world. We would like to thank the towers for helping us defeating the zombies. The government thanks you for your cooperation. Normal programming may resume at this trimester. Bye and have a good day.